Quantik Industries presents to its customers the Quantik Manual Coffee Roaster JD 10000. The main concern of Quantik Industry is to provide the coffee industry the best working tools in order to offer a product of optimal performance and national and international competitiveness. One of the elements defining the coffee productive process is the roasting process. The foreseen knowledge of the percentage of weight loss that will be obtained until reaching a determined roasting point. The final appearance that the grain will get, the coffee thermal behavior during the roasting process, the quality in the cup tasting. The Quantik Manual Coffee Roaster JD 10000 consists on a control panel. First switch for the gas heater intensity, second switch for the gas heater intensity, third switch for the gas heater intensity, a cooling system switch, on-off switch for the engine and exhauster, spark impulser igniter, digital display with the real temperature, the expected program temperature, and the temperature set buttons. A hopper, handle step, sampler proof, coffee peephole, coffee releasing lever, the cooling system, the coffee releasing door, regulatory and safety valve, a flame peephole, exhauster flowing air control lever, and the damper exhaust exit. Roasting process performance. The first step is turning on the roaster and preparing for roasting. Open the yellow valve of gas passage. It must be in direction of the pipe. Push the upper on-off switch. Rotate the regulatory and safety valve from the right to its central position. Hold press the valve for 20 seconds and at the same time press the spark impulser igniter. Verify visually through the groups of the cover burner that the flames of the pilot are ignited. Do not continue with the procedure if the pilot is not ignited. Set your desired temperature on the display. Turn on the second and third heater flame intensity switches. Turn the regulatory and safety valve to the left in on position. Adjust the flame until it reaches 3 inches tall. Wait for the cylinder to be heated for about 15 to 20 minutes. Roasting the coffee. Deposit the coffee inside the hopper. No more weight than the previously established for each machine. Pull the loading door, allowing the entrance of the coffee into the cylinder. Wait until all the coffee passes through. Close the loading door. Check the color of the coffee and the temperature on the controller. When it reaches a temperature of 160 to 170, turn the roasting lever to the right. Hold this position until the whole roasting process finishes. When the coffee starts to crackle, the temperature will rise. Since this very moment, it is important to be constantly checking the changes in the color of the coffee. To achieve this, constantly take a small sample with the sampler proof or check the coffee through the peephole. When the coffee reaches your desired roasting point, ignite the cooling engine. Open the discharge gate, lifting up the handle from the roasting cylinder. By this way, the coffee must fall down into the cooling container. Wait for the coffee to be cooled on the cooling system. Turning off the roaster. Turn off the 3 switches for the flame heating intensity. Verify that the temperature decreases. When temperature reaches 50 degrees, you are able to turn off the machine and the exhauster by pressing the corresponding button. Turn the regulatory and safety valve to the right in off position. Close the yellow valve of gas passage. It must be perpendicular to the pipe. Cleaning and maintenance of the machine. Open the gate located on the back of the machine. The suction duct located on the rear side of the cylinder base accumulate residues by the passing of fume and cuticles. It's necessary to avoid the residues from accumulating by cleaning this compartment constantly with a brush and using a vacuum. When energy runs out, move manually the engine to avoid damage. Lubrication. Check the grease quantity in the grease cup of roasting cylinder. Refill the grease cup each 15 working hours. Only use high temperature resistant grease. We recommend Mosil 600. We hope this might be useful for you as our customer.